Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen California camper. This vehicle has done just under 32,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our sink, cooker and fridge. We also have our foldable table. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this provides us with a dining area. Behind me is our first of 2 double beds, doubling up as 2 belted seats, making this camper 4 belts, 4 berth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist. And on the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and our vehicle status. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.